value-oriented currencies such as those found in Asia probably will tend to do better in the second half of this year if we're right.
Just to stick with LATAM, though, I was getting lunch with a lawyer 2 weeks ago, and he's like, I've been bullish LATAM for 30 years, and it has not panned out. How does that play into some of the factors that you're talking about and the opportunities to invest there, given it seems like it's always been on the edge of being the next big thing?
Sure. Well, I mean, if you look at the 5 major Latin American, currencies that are actually tradable, I mean, the Brazilian real, the Mexican peso, the Chilean peso, the Peruvian peso, which is dollarized, by the way, and I forget the last one. What am I missing? Colombia, the Colombian peso. I mean, really, if you look at those 5 currencies, Mexico's really a proxy for the dollar and has become the EM proxy for as goes the dollar, so goes the Mexican peso. So it's a very different currency than the other 4. Brazil is a commodity-oriented currency, as is Chile and Peru. So a lot of that currency movement should be impacted by China demand. So to your point, if we do think things are going to get better in China, they're going to stimulate, there's going to be demand for commodities and minerals and materials and all that, then those currencies should tend to perform well, and that's why I like local currency LATAM, because I think there's a play there if China